Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide your profile picture from some people on WhatsApp. So let's start. First, open the WhatsApp app. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Account and go to Privacy. Here you will see your profile photo option. Now if you choose everyone, then everyone will be able to see your profile photo. If you select My Contacts, only your contacts will be able to see your profile photo. And if you select Nobody, then nobody will be able to see your profile photo except you. Now tap on Status. My Contacts is selected by default. Now if you select My Contacts Accept and select some people from your contacts with whom you don't want to share your story. Now if you select Only Share With and select the people with whom you want to share with your story only. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.